Hi, I'm Stephen Edwards from Meat and Livestock Australia. I'm here working with the guys from the Chefs Forum, promoting Aussie beef and lamb in the UK. So we are an Australian industry body that markets and promotes Australian beef and lamb and goat throughout the world. And our special subject is to make sure that chefs understand more about the Australian beef industry and the Australian lamb industry, and make sure they know that it's sustainable, it's a high quality product, and that it's available in the UK to them as an alternative.
Really impressed with the quality of the meat today. The Wagyu beef cooked beautifully on the barbecue. Fantastic marbling. I would quite happily trim those up and use them in any of my lamb dishes. Very nice.